So what do I think of the Xiaomi Mix Alpha? This thing is completely different to any other smartphone that I've seen before. So last week, Xiaomi launched the Mix Alpha, a phone that really was kept a very good secret until very close to the launch. It is the first phone to feature what Xiaomi are calling a surround screen. That is a screen that literally surrounds the entire device apart from that strip on the back that houses the camera units. Xiaomi repeatedly called this phone a concept phone. And concept phones usually don't see the light of day when it comes to retail units, but Xiaomi are going to sell this phone in China only, but it will go on sale. Round the edges of the device, the screen completely wraps around them, meaning there are no buttons on the side, but as you can see here, there can be a whole host of buttons or alerts that go on the side of the device that can be changed by you or by Xiaomi. And of course, with no bezels also means that there aren't any speakers on the device. The sound comes out thanks to under-screen sound technology. The screen isn't the only thing special about the Mix Alpha though. Those camera units back there are also brand new, including a 108 megapixel sensor that Xiaomi developed with Samsung, in addition to an ultra-wide and a zoom camera as well. The sensor doesn't just have more pixels, it is much bigger than usual smartphone sensors, which should help with images overall. Although of course there's so much more to imaging than megapixels, and so we can't just say that using a 108 megapixel sensor is somehow going to make the photos look amazing. But it fits in with the strategy of the Mi Mix 4 to go with something so out there. The main attraction though is the screen, and actually the device in real life, in person, is much bigger than I thought it would be. Height and width and also thickness are a lot different to what I thought and a lot different to what they appeared on the videos. So this is a very unique product, and actually my impressions on this is that it probably needs to go through a few more stages of refinement and different design iterations before it may possibly down the road become a more mainstream product. Not to mention that the 15 or so units that are in existence are just still prototype units. You can actually see this one isn't entirely straight. It has a slight bend to it, which obviously wouldn't be acceptable in a retail product. That's because at the moment these concept units are actually using a type of plastic display just to show off what the device would look like. Although apparently real retail units will be having the glass screen. That is if you want to pay 20,000 RMB for a unit. But honestly, overall, it is an incredible sight to behold. Anyway, that's it for now from the Xiaomi flagship store here in Shenzhen. Subscribe for more Xiaomi news videos, but I'll see you in the next one.